Hey, welcome back, YouTubers, to JJ Shop. I'm Jordy.
I'm Jeffrey.
And today we're out here at Busy Beavers. Go check out Busy Beaver's site. You guys have seen us do a couple collaboration videos with them. Matter of fact, we did the brakes on that there Kia Santa Fe.
Everything is running great.
Good, excellent, excellent. But Chuck's had an issue with the old Toyota Tundra here. He started her up, let her warm up in the driveway. You can do that out here because we don't even really know where we are. We're somewhere in God's country, way out here. Anyway, you can let your cars warm up in the driveway out here. So that's what he did. He went to back up and come to work, and well, the truck just died and never started again. So we suspect a faulty fuel pump. We've just kind of confirmed that already. Chuck's done a lot of the diagnosis already. He's replaced the fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator over here. It's all brand new, as you can see right there. Fuel pressure regulator has been checked and replaced. He's replaced the fuel pump relay back here in the fuse box. So all of these things have been replaced already. So that brings us down to the final step, which is the fuel pump. So we just undid the banjo bolt on the fuel rail and cycled the key, and we got absolutely no fuel whatsoever. So we are going to make one last test here. We're going to shoot. Actually, you know, hold on here. We're going to shoot a little bit of
Brake fluid.
Yeah, brake fluid right straight in the throat
Starting
there.
fluid.
Yeah, she's going to fire right up. So,
We hope.
see, this one's loose. Yeah, this one's loose.
What if we? What happens if it doesn't start up?
If it doesn't start up, well, then we got an
I
issue.
think you got 3 clamps there
There's-
somewhere.
Is that one?
Down
Probably.
on this side.
No. Is that one? Is that one it? Yeah. Okay, what's this one, Jeffrey?
What?
Oh, there we go. I got it. We got it. That's a funny looking clamp right there. That still got me beat, Jeffrey.
There's your big meaty paws.
And probably because of my gorilla mitts.
There.
Got it?
Pull up.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to just shoot a little bit of starting fluid right in the old... Yeah. Oh, no. The system's going to need that. There we go.
You should be able to pull it
Yeah,
off.
pull right off there. Pull her
Jeez.
right off.
Oh, there we go.
Did we mention this truck has
I did.
500,000 miles? But look at that filter.
How many miles does it have?
460 something.
Yeesh.
All right, let's get starting fluid first.
Yep.
Let's shoot that one in there. Oh, I like it.
I never did take that off. I haven't tried this one.
Okay. All righty, Chuck, go ahead and go in there and turn her over a little bit. Well,
Oh, it's leaking.
proof positive.
You see it?
Oh, is he? Yeah, he's got a little leak in there.
Where's that?
Right here. Oh, right this clamp. Right at this clamp right here. There's a,
Fuel leak?
well,
Or is that
no,
the starting fluid?
starting fluid. Starting fluid.
Is it maybe I loosened that one up when I was trying to
Oh,
put
did
some
ya?
starting fluid in it.
Oh, okay, cool.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, that's why. We'll have to tighten that
I
one
did.
back
I think
up.
I took this thing off when I was redoing the serpentine belt.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's what's just leaking the starting fluid. But it also may cause a little bit of a, because the air is going to bypass the, well, it will be getting some air bypassing the
Sensor.
yeah, the sensor,
Mass or
the
whatever.
mass airflow sensor, yeah. So, yeah. Once we do get her running again, you may want to, I don't really, it feels like it's on there. I don't understand where it would be coming from. But, oh, you know what? I'll bet you it's condensation. It's a condensation drip. So let's condensation water go down, as it's the lowest part of this deal. Lets water drip out there rather than getting sucked into the motor.
Oh.
Yeah, little condensation weep hole.
Okay, so my chore is to
Drop the gas tank. And get the fuel pump.
All right. So I'm going to have to siphon that baby out of there as much as possible. I've already taken half the fuel out and used it in my lawnmower.
That's a good thing right there.
But I still got half the tank because it was full. That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
25-gallon tank. And that gas is pricey.
It is pricey. Yeah, I'll tell you what. So, for those of you who know fuel pumps and stuff like that, they will never, ever go out when you have an empty tank or a quarter tank. They're going to go out immediately after you fill the tank. And so that's exactly what happens.
All right, so
here.
we're done with this.
We're done with that. We know what it is. We just got us fired and running off of off of Prime. So we've already diagnosed all the other stuff. Chuck and I actually work together.
For a little while anyways.
Yeah, for a little while longer.
A little while longer.
So Busy Beaver has been picking my brain for the last month on this thing and what he should try, and so he's already done all those things. So all the cheap, easy diagnostic stuff is done. Now we have done the final diagnostics, which is the fuel pump. And after 500,000 miles, I say you got all the mileage. You got all the miles out of that fuel pump, Chuck.
460,000.
Wow. I'm thinking that fuel pump should be put. I'm gonna put the air cleaner back together here. I think that fuel pump should be.
Put this on so I don't forget what it is.
Oh yeah. It should be framed and hung. You know what I mean?
Well, we still have to do the timing belt.
Oh, the timing belt. Definitely.
I have yet
to do the
as
timing
you
belt.
know, I have yet to change the timing belt.
That is for sure.
That is the original timing belt at 460,000 miles. I looked up the recommendation and it said 80,000 miles. So I think I got my money out of that
You've definitely
Yep.
got your money out of the timing belt as well. Not that Chuck just.
Oh no, I do neglect it. I do. I change the oil in this every 15. I'm not kidding. 15 to 20,000 miles.
That's Toyota.
I used. I'm not touting any horns, pursing any horns or anything, but I just used whatever they had on sale at Costco, which was Chevron, until they went to Kirkland brand, and then I bought the Kirkland brand stuff.
There you go.
But yeah,
Well,
I used the cheapest oil I could find, and whatever oil filter was on sale.
That is awesome. So this is a testament. Busy Beavers has a testament vehicle here to Toyota.
It's the 4.7 liter V8. It's
that has been thoroughly abused and has 460,000 miles on the timing belt, has 460,000 miles on the fuel pump.
I can tell you how many times I've changed the spark plugs. Once.
So the coils and everything are all original.
There's a few of these guys that went bad.
The coils?
I've replaced.
Oh, okay.
I think 2 of them.
Okay.
I've replaced over the years.
So 2 coils and 460,000 miles. I'm telling you right now, ladies and gentlemen,
Toyota.
I'm all about Toyota Tundra right now.
But I don't think the new ones.
I don't think they. I don't. I'm not going to say anything.
Randy has a new one.
Yeah, Randy has a new one. But anyway,
Yeah.
you
Here
will.
and there.
Yeah, you will see an upcoming video on this Toyota Tundra again, because we are going to change the timing belt on
As soon
this.
as I get it up and running, I will drive it to your place, drop it off, and you can
There you go.
have Jeffrey crawl through this thing. Because this whole area right through here, I am not about to rip this apart. I know nothing about this kind of stuff.
Yeah,
I can change a few fuses. I can change whatever that thing was over there. That thing.
Right.
But no. The coils, That's one number 10 little bolt there, and
Right.
you slide it in, clip it in, you're done.
There you go.
Love that stuff. But yeah, timing belt, no.
There you go. Yeah, and so like I said, you will see a video on this one, probably not too long down the road here, where we'll do the timing belt on Busy Beaver's Toyota Tundra here. It deserves it, certainly.
2 UZ.
That's the engine.
Yeah.
It deserves it with 460,000 miles. And again, that fuel pump should be framed and gold plated and hung up. The timing belt should definitely be framed, gold plated and hung up as well. The fact that this truck is still running at 465,000 miles with the original timing belt in it is a testament on its own.
I will say, Jordy, when I sat down and I said, hey, I got an issue with my truck. And you said, okay, what's it doing? And I told you, and you said, yep, you got a bad fuel pump. And then we sat there and we went, well, let's check this first. So we changed it. Well, let's check this first.
Yep.
Try not to have to change
The fuel
the
pump.
fuel pump.
Right.
And now we have confirmed
It's the fuel pump.
it's the fuel pump.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
thank you very much. I appreciate you coming out and
You betcha.
helping me diagnose this. It was either tow this thing out of here
Yep.
or I'm glad you showed up.
Yeah. No, it'll definitely drive out again, and that's good. That's good. That's what we wanted to. That's what we wanted to see, right?
Yeah.
We had suspicions all along, but we know it for sure now, and we appreciate you letting us come out and
Thank
take
you.
a look at it.
Thank you very much.
We'll look forward to the next video on this. We thank you guys for joining us on this little adventure. We know it's kind of short, but we've already kind of known what was going on here. We needed to come out here and just do the checks and make sure.
I'm glad it wasn't I'm glad it wasn't the timing belt.
Exactly.
Really glad it wasn't the timing belt.
Exactly.
That thing started. It wouldn't start if it was bad timing belt.
No.
All right. That
Definitely
makes me feel
not.
better.
Nope. She ran on
Yeah.
starting fluid right here. Yep. So.
Got it running.
Yep. She's running in good shape. Just needs something to get the fuel up there.
All right.
There you go. We'll have a good one, Mr. Beavers.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty, and thank you all for watching. Of course, if you wouldn't mind, please give us a like, subscribe, and any comments, especially on this 465,000 mile Toyota Tundra. We're looking for all kinds of comments on that. All right, thanks a lot, Busy Beavers.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Also, go over and check out Busy Beavers. He's got a beautiful place out here. He's done some wonderful things. He's quite the green thumb.